Welcome back to my channel. This is the standard disclaimer. So first we'll start with the daily chart of Nifty. So so yesterday's discussion is simple. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty are positive, in the sense bullish, and buy on every dip for positional longs is the view made yesterday. Also, we discussed the point that we'll avoid weekly expiries to be on the safe side and be safe that we'll not be knocked out because of the expiry volatility. Okay, that is our view. And what happened today is we have seen huge volatility. Markets went up, came down, even made even intraday highs later, and again came down all the way. So the last swing made is a sell. Okay. Does it make that markets are going to reverse from this level? I don't believe so at this point of time. So for that we'll go to hourly chart. So what are we expecting is there is a sell and a buy need to stop out the sell positions. Then we'll go long. So that's what we did earlier, and we are expecting the similar pattern again. So for that, in the hourly time frame, so we have seen a short positions or the supply zone created with stop loss as today's high, which is sitting around 25,220. So the chart is pretty simple. For long, what we need is today's high need to be taken out. That's a simple. 25,000 30 230 is our long position, a long trade level. So immediately at the if that level hits, we'll go for long. Okay, that's our view as of now. We'll see when that will happen, and we'll wait until that happens. Okay, and also we will consider taking positional longs in monthly series, either current month, next month, or the even December series on every dip. So indeed, I made some positions today in December and November series. Excuse me. I was holding 25,250 positions in current series, and I covered those positions today. And also in Bank Nifty, I was holding 56,200 and October series and 57,000 November series. Both I covered those at 800 levels today. So I was hoping there will be a good dip till 25,050 to take newer positions in the current series. Why I covered the current series positions is, the levels, the premium price is pointing to 25,500 levels. That's like 250 premium is at 250, which means that it's hitting the value of 25,500. That's a decent level to cover the positions. If I get the dip again, I will consider taking longs again. But for now, I thought like it's safer to cover the current series positions. So I just closed the current series positions and made a decent profits. And what next? Let's go and check the bank nifty. Bank nifty made an interesting move. Finally, the close came above this neckline. So I'm hoping we are ready to go for the next levels of 57,500. So I just covered my positions which are being carried from this level. Now I'm expecting 1 or 2 days consolidation here, or at least small pullback or whatever. Some consolidations and premiums to cool off, because we have seen a 4 days of big rallies and the premiums are pretty high, because 56 200 premium did hit 800. It's pointing to 57k, so that's the reason I covered. And so I'm expecting some cool off in the premiums. Once that happens, I'll consider re-entering long positions. That's my view as of now. Or else, what will I do from here is, whenever there is a red candle during the in a day chart, so end of the day I'll go for the long positions, positional longs. So my view is that red candle will dip the premium values, and once again the buying initiates, we should see the premium appreciation, and that way we can get the better gains rather than entering on every bullish candle. It's safer to wait for a red candle and then go for long positions. That's safer for now. There's nothing much in bank nifty to talk about in terms of the trade levels. Even bank nifty also created a supply zone. Yeah, bank nifty is also okay. Let's see. Bank nifty is also giving an indication that day's high is the point, today's high is the level where we have to go long. Once that breaks, we should go long. Whether it fills this gap or not, we have to wait and see. This is a breakout. I don't think so. The gap will be filled. I don't think the gap will be filled. It might just spend time here to do tomorrow, 1 or 2 hours, and towards the end of the day, I'm expecting a pullback. So again, tomorrow I'll consider adding longs in the bank nifty as well. What about the nifty? Nifty, as we discussed, I'm expecting 25,030 levels. Once that hits, I'll add long positions. I'm expecting a pullback from there. I'll hold those positions till 350. Once 350 comes, there might be some consolidations, or till 350 it might go pretty slowly or and shoot above 350. Those are the two scenarios. I'll tell it again. Either it shoots till 350 fast and consolidates at 350 and break out. That's one scenario. Second scenario is go slowly till 350, and from here, bang. It can be a big shoot up from here. These are the two scenarios. Just wait and watch how it plays out. That's the reason I'm suggesting positional longs need to be made in monthly series rather than weekly expiries, so that you'll have ample time, and also make sure that you pick the proper strike. Let it not be way out of the OTM, like not far OTMs. Pick something closer to ATM or ITM if you can. So keep these three points in mind and play safe. Be on the long side. Don't get tempted to go short. Markets are not suggesting any short at this point of time. There can be positions made by the smart money, uh, mostly the FIAs, might be on the negative side, huge negative side, but they can manage their positions if their levels are breached. Okay, it's they can do it pretty quickly. They can switch to longs pretty quickly. So as a retailer, we should be on our toes in holding our positions and managing our positions. So play safe. That's it from my side. Thank you.